The 50-30-20 rule is a simple way to budget your money. This rule is designed to help you manage your finances in a straightforward and effective manner. By dividing your income into 3 distinct categories, you can ensure that your essential needs are met, your desires are satisfied, and your future is secured. This method is not only easy to follow but also incredibly practical for people from all walks of life. Whether you're just starting out on your financial journey or looking to refine your budgeting skills, the 50-30-20 rule can be a valuable tool. It's easy to follow, and it helps you save. The simplicity of this rule lies in its clear guidelines. You don't need to be a financial expert to understand or implement it. All you need is a basic understanding of your income and expenses. By following this rule, you can create a balanced budget that allows you to live comfortably while also preparing for the future. Saving money becomes a natural part of your routine rather than a daunting task. This rule works for many people and helps you take control of your money. It provides a structured approach to managing your finances, which can be particularly beneficial if you struggle with overspending or find it challenging to save. By adhering to the 50-30-20 rule, you can develop healthier financial habits and gain a better understanding of where your money is going. This sense of control can lead to increased financial confidence and peace of mind. The 50-30-20 rule means you divide your money into 3 parts. The first part, which is 50% of your income, is allocated to your needs. These are the essential expenses that you cannot live without. They include things like rent or mortgage payments, utilities, groceries, transportation, and insurance. By ensuring that half of your income covers these necessities, you can maintain a stable and secure lifestyle. 50% goes to your needs, which are the essential expenses required for daily living. This category is crucial because it ensures that your basic living standards are met. Without adequately covering your needs, you may find yourself in financial distress. Therefore, it's important to accurately assess what falls under this category and prioritize these expenses in your budget. 30% goes to your wants, which are the non-essential items that bring joy and comfort to your life. This category includes things like dining out, entertainment, hobbies, and other leisure activities. While these expenses are not necessary for survival, they play an important role in your overall happiness and well-being. By allocating a portion of your income to your wants, you can enjoy life without feeling guilty about spending money on things you love. And 20% goes to your savings. This final category is dedicated to securing your financial future. It includes contributions to your savings account, retirement fund, investments, and debt repayment. By consistently setting aside 20% of your income for savings, you can build a financial cushion that will protect you in times of need and help you achieve your long-term financial goals. This proactive approach to saving ensures that you are prepared for unexpected expenses and can work towards a financially stable future. This rule is great for everyone. Whether you're a student, a young professional, a parent, or nearing retirement, the 50-30-20 rule can be adapted to fit your unique financial situation. It provides a flexible framework that can be adjusted as your income and expenses change over time. By following this rule, you can create a sustainable budget that supports your current lifestyle while also planning for the future. Are you new to budgeting? This is a good place to start. The 50-30-20 rule offers a simple and effective introduction to budgeting for beginners. It breaks down the complex task of managing money into manageable steps, making it easier to understand and implement. By starting with this rule, you can build a strong foundation for your financial journey and develop the skills needed to manage your money effectively. Do you need help managing money? This rule can help you too. Even if you have experience with budgeting, the 50-30-20 rule can provide valuable insights and structure to your financial planning. It can help you identify areas where you may be overspending and guide you towards a more balanced and sustainable budget. By following this rule, you can take control of your finances, reduce financial stress, and work towards achieving your financial goals. Needs are things you must have to live. These are the essentials that you cannot do without. They form the foundation of your budget and are the first things you should allocate money to when you receive your paycheck. Without covering these needs, you would struggle to maintain a basic standard of living. This money is for the most important things. It ensures that you have a roof over your head, food on the table, and the utilities that keep your home running smoothly. These are the non-negotiables in your budget. Half of your income goes to your needs. What are some needs? Rent is a need. Having a place to live is fundamental. Whether you are renting an apartment or paying a mortgage, housing costs are typically the largest expense in most people's budgets. You need a place to live. Food is a need. You need to eat. Groceries are another significant part of your needs. Planning your meals and making a grocery list can help you stay within your budget and avoid unnecessary purchases. You need to pay for electricity and water. These utilities are essential for your daily life. They keep your home warm, your lights on, and provide you with clean water. Without them, your quality of life would be severely impacted. Transportation is a need. You need to get to work or school. Whether you drive a car, take public transportation, or bike, getting to your destination is crucial. Transportation costs can include gas, public transit fares, car maintenance, and insurance. Track your spending. How much do you spend on needs? Keeping a close eye on your expenses helps you understand where your money is going and ensures that you are not overspending on non-essentials. Make sure it's not more than 50%. Sticking to this rule helps you maintain financial stability and ensures that you have enough left over for savings and discretionary spending. By carefully managing your budget, you can achieve your financial goals and enjoy peace of mind. Wants are things you would like to have. They are not essential. These are things that make you happy. 30% of your income goes to your wants. What are some wants? Eating out is a want. You can cook at home. Entertainment is a want. Think about movies and concerts. Shopping is a want. You don't need new clothes every week. Wants are fun, but don't overspend. Stick to your budget. Saving is important. This money is for your future. 20% of your income goes to savings. What do you save for? You can save for emergencies. This is money for unexpected events. You can save for retirement. This will help you when you are older. You can save to pay off debt. This means paying back money you owe. Saving helps you reach your goals. Start small. Even a little bit helps. Section 5. Why this rule works. The 50-30-20 rule is a popular budgeting method that has stood the test of time. But why does it work so well? Let's dive deeper into the reasons behind its effectiveness. The 50-30-20 rule is simple. It's easy to understand, it's easy to use. This simplicity is one of its greatest strengths. When financial advice gets too complicated, people often feel overwhelmed and give up. But with this rule, you only need to remember 3 numbers: 50, 30, and 20. This makes it accessible to everyone, regardless of their financial literacy. This makes budgeting less scary. This rule is flexible. Life is unpredictable, and our financial needs can change from month to month. The 50-30-20 rule allows for this flexibility. If you have an unexpected expense one month, you can adjust your budget accordingly without feeling like you've failed. This adaptability helps people stick to their budgeting goals over the long term. You can adjust it to fit your life. For instance, if you find that your needs category is taking up more than 50% of your income, you can temporarily reduce your wants or savings categories to make up the difference. This rule is not rigid. It's a guideline that you can tailor to your unique financial situation. Do you have a lot of debt? Debt can be a significant source of stress and can make it difficult to manage your finances. The 50-30-20 rule can help you prioritize debt repayment without neglecting other important financial goals. By allocating 20% of your income to savings and debt repayment, you can make steady progress towards becoming debt-free. You can put more money towards savings. If you're in a position where you don't have much debt, you can use that 20% to build an emergency fund or save for future goals. Having a financial cushion can provide peace of mind and protect you from unexpected expenses. The 50-30-20 rule helps you save. Saving is a crucial part of financial health. Whether you're saving for a down payment on a house, a vacation, or retirement, having a structured plan makes it easier to reach your goals. This rule encourages consistent saving, which can lead to significant financial growth over time. Saving is important for your future. Planning for the future is essential, and the 50-30-20 rule helps you do just that. By consistently setting aside money for savings, you're preparing for both short-term and long-term goals. This forward-thinking approach can help you achieve financial stability and security. It gives you peace of mind. Knowing that you have a plan for your money can reduce financial stress and anxiety. When you follow the 50-30-20 rule, you can feel confident that you're managing your finances responsibly. This peace of mind allows you to focus on other important aspects of your life. You'll be ready for anything. Life is full of surprises, and having a solid financial plan can help you navigate whatever comes your way. Whether it's an unexpected medical bill, a car repair, or a job loss, the 50-30-20 rule ensures that you're prepared for life's financial challenges. By following this rule, you can build a strong financial foundation that will support you through both good times and bad. Section 6. Applying the rule step by step. First, calculate your income. How much money do you earn each month? Write it down. Next, track your spending. Where does your money go each month? Use a notebook, use a spreadsheet, use a budgeting app. Now, divide your spending. Is it 50% needs, 30% wants, and 20% savings? If not, make adjustments. Section 7. Common mistakes to avoid. One mistake is misclassifying expenses. Is it a need or a want? Be honest with yourself. Another mistake is not sticking to the plan. Budgeting takes discipline. Don't give up. Adjust the rule if needed. Do you have a low income? You might need to adjust the percentages. Section 8. Budgeting tools for success. There are many tools to help you budget. Mint is a popular app. You need a budget, or YNAB is another great option. You can also use a simple spreadsheet. Find a tool that works for you. Use it consistently. This will help you stay organized. Section 9. Start your financial journey today. The 50/30/20 rule is a powerful tool. It helps you manage your money. It helps you achieve your goals. Remember to track your spending. Adjust the rule if needed. Be patient and consistent. Start budgeting today. Take control of your money. It's never too late. What are your budgeting tips? Share your thoughts in the comments below. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more financial advice.